Do you feel stuck in life but you can't figure out why? The answer might be right in front of you or all around you. The energy in your home could be holding you back. Do you ever walk into your home and feel stuck? Like there's this invisible wall between where you are and where you want to be. You know you're ready for change, but somehow nothing is moving forward. Well, let me tell you, you're not crazy. That's stagnant energy talking, and it's time to clear it out so you can finally get unstuck. When energy stagnates in your home, it's like you're carrying around an anchor. It blocks your personal growth and leaves you feeling drained, frustrated, and let's be honest, kind of stuck in a rut. However, here's the good news. Feng Shui has your back, and I'm here to show you how to clear that energy and open up new possibilities. First things first, clutter. Yes, that pile of mail by your front door, it's not just an eyesore, it's a major energy blocker. In Feng Shui, your entryway is where all the energy flows into your home. So if you've got stuff piled up there, you're basically putting up a no entry sign for good energy. Step 1 to clearing stagnant energy is to declutter your entryway. Not only will it give you a clearer path to walk through, but it will invite fresh energy, new opportunities into your life. And trust me, you'll feel it. Next up are plants. Living plants are incredible energy boosters. They breathe life into your space and help circulate positive energy. But if your plants are looking a little crispy, it's time to either water them or toss them. Dead plants equals dead energy. You don't want that vibe. And another quick fix, crystals and mirrors. Crystals like clear quartz or amethyst help amplify and move energy, while mirrors reflect light and brighten up dark, stagnant spaces. Just be sure not to place mirrors where they will reflect something negative, like a cluttered room. You don't want to double your chaos. So there you have it. Declutter, bring in plants, and use crystals and mirrors to boost the energy flow in your home. It's simple, but the results are powerful. If you're ready to get truly unstuck, not just in your home, but in your life, I've got something big for you. Join me and my friend Margaret DeBryan of Self-Worth Millionaire at our Unstuck Mastery Weekend in San Antonio, November 9th through 11th. It's a rapid transformation weekend for busy women ready to clear your energy and unlock your potential. We're going to dive deep into Feng Shui, mindset, and so much more. Don't miss it. Head over to margaretdebryan.com, Unstuck Mastery Workshop, for all the details. Let's get you unstuck once and for all. Because when you clear the energy in your home, you're clearing the path for your life to flow. See you soon.